Are you ready to draw a gingerbread man? I am, but first, do me a favor and click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on a thing. All right, let's get started. All right, to get started, we're going to find the middle of our paper right here, and we're going to draw a nice tall oval. From there, I'm going to draw a line going diagonal up, and a line the other way about the same size going up. And draw a diagonal going down and down. So we have two going up, two going down. From the side, I'm going to draw a little curved line connecting and a curved line connecting. Right next to our oval, I'm just going to draw a line coming out on each side and a small line on that side coming down. Just below that, I'm going to draw a circle. I'll leave a little space and draw another circle. Leaving a little space below that circle, I'm going to draw a U. From each side of that U, I'm going to draw a diagonal coming down. Now from there, I'm going to draw a half circle on each side. Now I want this to come up and in just a tiny bit. And this one up and in just a tiny bit. From there, I'm going to come up just a little bit inside of this line. And I'm going to draw a diagonal coming down. Same thing on the other side. I'm coming inside and drawing a diagonal coming down. Now this is going to curve and come up to the same height as the top of our bow right there. Same thing here. I'm going to curve around and come up right by my bow. From there, this part's going to get very big. We're going to draw a nice big circle that goes from one side to the other. So it went all the way around and reconnected. From here, I'm going to come a good ways up, and I'm going to draw a smile. Just above this side, I'm going to draw a nice good sized circle. You want one on the other side for his eyes. You want them to be about the same size. Now I'm going to start over here on my circle, and I'm going to draw a curved line like a U. Then I'm going to draw a curved line going back down. From there, I'm going to draw a curved line going back up. A little mountain coming down. A U going back up, and then I'm going to curve this back down to connect. So there's our gingerbread man, and he has a little bit of frosting up on his head. I do want to add one more thing. Inside his eyes, I just want to do a good size circle in the same spot on both eyes. There we go. And I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3 little dots on that arm. 1, 2, 3 over on this arm. 1, 2 down on that leg. 1, 2, 3 over on that leg. 1, 2, 3 over here. 1, 2, 3 over here. And those are just kind of to give it a little bit of texture for our cookie. All right, that is it. Plain and simple. He is just already so cute. Not too much we have to do other than color.
Are you ready to see my final drawing?
There he is.
I hope you're having a wonderful holiday season. Thanks so much for coming to join us. Be sure to check out all of our exciting videos because we have tons of drawing videos, but we also have so much more. See you guys again soon. Bye.